Hey, Brenda, boy, grow up. Millionaire status, get your money up. We only evolve. Yes, we only get better. We don't decline. Come. Tell you $1 million man, boy. Make daddy proud. Don't ever let nobody tell you different. Just make daddy proud. You $1 million man, so won't you make daddy proud? Make daddy proud. Make daddy proud. Show the world what you can do and make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. You $1 million man, so won't you make daddy proud? Make daddy proud. Make daddy proud. Show the world what you can do and make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. If it wasn't for my son, I don't know where I'd be. Probably locked up in the cell somewhere in the penitentiary. Out your head first, trying to murder the streets, disturbing the peace. Blue bandana on my head, clutching my heat. But they ain't here, it's like my mission cleared in glass. I gotta straighten up, cause he don't need to follow my path. Going down a dirty road, steady showing my ass. Put him in the mind frame so he can have the things I ain't never had. Blessed by God, his mama's side got cash, and his daddy turned goon if he needed that bad. And I'ma tell you, boy, I love you. You only be out here thugging. You got $1 million brain, you need to use it for something. Don't ever let nobody tell you ain't good for nothing. Telling you the future ain't no need for stunting. Tell them sit back and watch and you can see what's coming. You $1 million man, so won't you make daddy proud? Make daddy proud. Make daddy proud. Show the world what you can do and make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. You $1 million man, so won't you make daddy proud? Make daddy proud. Make daddy proud. Show the world what you can do and make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. Make daddy smile. From the first time I seen you, I knew you were special. You was like me looking in the mirror, seeing my own reflection. Watch you grow up, I gotta send you a message. Keep your faith in God, and He'll send you a blessing. Boy, I love you more than I love myself. I protect you even if it means losing my health or losing my freedom or jumping out there killing myself. Believe I'ma do the best I can with the cards I'm dealt. I praise your mama for this beautiful gift. Anytime I'm down, I think of you and my spirits automatically lift. Once you came into my life, everything automatically shift. Your mama told me you gotta straighten up, you gotta be a role model for him.